Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today we will check at this news that PM Modi addresses Interpol General Assembly. Okay, let us have a look at this news. What is this Interpol and what is its General Assembly and where is it being held? Interpol basically stands for International Criminal Police Organization. Okay, so Interpol is the short form of International Criminal Police Organization. So this organization is actually headquartered in Lyon of France, and it was formed in the year 1923. It's almost like 99 years back this organization was formed. So it is a body of 194 member states, and it was basically formed to work together to fight international crime. Okay, so 194 members came together to form an organization to fight international crime. So what this organization do? This organization facilitates worldwide police cooperation and crime control. Okay, worldwide police cooperation and crime control are main two objectives of this organization. So interestingly, the 19th General Assembly of this organization has started in Pragati Maidan in New Delhi on October 18, and it will continue till October 21. Okay. So this General Assembly has returned back to India after a gap of 25 years. So last time in the year 1997, the General Assembly of Interpol was held in India. So in this meeting, delegates from all over the world have joined, including ministers, police chiefs of various countries, and other senior police officers have joined. So India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi was addressing the General Assembly earlier today. So he has appealed for accelerated global action on eliminating safe haven for corrupt terrorists, drug cartels, poaching gangs, and organized crimes. Okay, nowadays our society or our countries are infected with corrupt people, corruption at many stages, terrorists, and then drug cartels, poaching gangs and organized crimes. Not only India but many other countries in the world are infested with these crimes. Therefore, Prime Minister has asked for accelerated global action. Okay, globally there should be enhanced cooperation to eliminate safe havens. Okay, so there should not be any safe place where criminals involved in these crimes will get safe space. Okay. Then he has also asked the Interpol to speed up red corner notices for fugitive criminals. Okay, so there are many criminals for particular countries who are hiding here and there. So and sometimes it is not possible to track those criminals, and Interpol can do what they can do. They can issue red corner notices. If red corner notice is issued, so if any fugitive or a criminal is hiding somewhere, then the police force in that particular country or area so will look for this criminal. Okay, so Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also asked for requested the Interpol to speed up issuing red corner notices against the criminals. So again, Prime Minister also highlighted the ever increasing cyber terrorism threats. Okay, so cyber terrorism has emerged as a type of terrorism in the recent past, and Prime Minister emphasized that these cyber terrorism threats also have to be handled smartly by the Interpol organization. So, and he also mentioned about India's combat of transnational terrorism for decades and raised the need for increased global cooperation to tackle such threats. Okay, so transnational threat means terrorism means suppose the terrorists are based in one country and they are committing crimes or terrorist activities in another country, and in this case certainly countries like Pakistan are talked about or directed at So we are facing terrorism for a long time over the border, and Prime Minister has also emphasized that when such translational crime or terrorism type of things exist, so in that case enhanced global or increased global cooperation is required to tackle such transnational or interboundary threats which arise due to terrorism and narcotics and similar other activities. So this general session will be continued till 21st of October. Okay, this General Assembly of Interpol. And on the last day, India's Home Minister Amit Shah is likely to attend this program. And not only that, CBI chief, India's CBI chief will also attend this Interpol's General Assembly. So friends, that's all in this video. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel, and also share this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.